Hi, I'm Mike Hogue from Lily House, and this is the conclusion in our series on permaculture and money. So when Bill Mollison used to give his talks on permaculture, occasionally someone would stop him and say, "But this is all fine and good, but Bill, how do I build an organic veggie garden?" And Bill Mollison would say, "I don't care what you do in your garden. Read any one of 1,000 books on that topic. What I'm interested in is where are you banking your money and how do you spend it?" It's because Bill Mollison realized that our money is our life energy. And the important question is, what do we want to do with our life energy? What do we want to build together with our life energy? What kind of lives do we want to create? Which means our first step might be to take a really close look at how we're spending our life energy. And one recommendation I can make for that is the book Your Money or Your Life by Joe Dominguez. This has a system in it for tracking how we're spending our life energy. Taken together with permaculture, the tools in your money or your life can provide a new roadmap to having a prosperous, wealthy future and transforming society. It's an old classic in the transition and homesteading and simple living communities for really good reason. But it does need some updates, and permaculture can provide those. Our step 2 is then to take a look at the forms of capital that we have available to us and really list those out and see what our personal assets and strengths are. After that, a more important step becomes planning our own regenerative investments. Actually taking a look, a deep look, at what things we want to invest in that are generative and procreative assets, things that stack together nicely, that we'll actually use, that won't sit in a basement somewhere or go unnoticed. These investments can be our intellectual property, they can be plants, they can be animals, but something that is truly of high value. Do your homework, make this part count. This is the part that really matters. This is how we build our life transformation portfolio. And all of those permaculture tools like zone and sector analysis can help us with this process and help us make better investments. You can look at our blog, lilyhouse.blogspot.com, or sign up for our classes to get a better idea of how to go about doing that. If you want help in planning your regenerative investments, that's something that I am extremely passionate about. So get in touch with me. So finally, when Bill Mollison would end his talks on this subject matter, he would say, "I want you to do this. This is permaculture. I want you to do this." Because Bill Mollison realized, as I have come to realize, that you are my best regenerative investment. I want you to have a wealthy, prosperous life, because then you'll go out and transform society and amplify my energy and build the kind of world that I want to see. And I know that enriching you and enriching people in my community only comes back to me. That if you have more assets available to you, then you'll have more to share with me. And that works out well for everyone. So what I want you to do is design a beautiful, abundant life. I want you to be wealthy and prosperous beyond anything you could have ever imagined. I want you to have a life filled with beauty and meaning. Because if we can get that right, and we can model that, we won't have to twist people's arms to change the world. People will line up for it like it's the new iPhone. Thanks for watching.